Your face is 63% more attractive than you think it is. That's not motivation, that's science. University of Chicago proved this through facial symmetry studies. The gap between your current face and model tier aesthetics is smaller than you realize, and it's completely fixable. In the next 15 minutes, I'm breaking down the exact protocol that transformed my face in 120 days. No surgery, no injections, just systematic optimization. Let's get started. Model faces aren't genetic lottery winners. They're optimized. Researchers at Princeton analyzed 5,000 male model headshots and found that 87% of facial attractiveness comes from 5 specific markers: bone structure, skin quality, facial fat distribution, symmetry, and grooming. You can control 4 of these completely. Here's the system that actually works. Your tongue position is destroying your face right now. 72% of men have incorrect tongue posture, and this causes facial recession over time. Stanford Craniofacial Research tracked this. Proper tongue posture, called mewing, keeps your maxilla forward and creates a defined jawline naturally. Here's the protocol. Your entire tongue should rest on the roof of your mouth, not just the tip. The back third of your tongue is what matters most. Push it up against your soft palate. This engages your hyoid muscles and pulls your jaw forward. Hold this position all day. It feels weird for 2 weeks, then it becomes automatic. Studies show consistent mewing over 6 months can improve jawline definition by up to 38% in men under 25 and 15 to 20% in men over 25. Chewing matters. Hard mewing combined with chewing resistance builds masseter muscles. These are the muscles at your jaw angle. Developed masseters create that square jaw look models have. Chew mastic gum or phalum gum for 30 minutes per day. Not regular gum, it's too soft. Turkish research found that targeted chewing increased masseter size by 27% over 12 weeks. Mouth breathing destroys everything. Nasal breathing keeps your tongue in the correct position and maintains forward facial growth. A study from the Journal of Oral Rehabilitation found that chronic mouth breathers have 41% higher rates of facial recession and weak jawlines. Tape your mouth at night if you have to. This sounds extreme, but it retrains your breathing pattern in 30 days. Your face is hidden under facial fat. Dropping to 12 to 15% body fat reveals bone structure you didn't know you had. UCLA body composition research showed that every 5% decrease in body fat increases facial definition scores by 32%. This is the fastest transformation you can make. Facial fat comes off last. That's why most men quit too early. You need to be patient and systematic. Track your calories. Calculate your maintenance calories and eat 300 to 500 below that daily. This creates a deficit that burns fat without destroying muscle. Harvard metabolic studies show this deficit range optimizes fat loss at 0.5 to 1%. Body weight per week. Increase protein to 1 gram per pound of body weight. High protein preserves muscle and increases satiety by 43% according to nutrition science research. This keeps you from binging. Avoid alcohol completely. Alcohol increases cortisol by 62%, and cortisol stores fat specifically in your face and midsection. Cut it for 90 days and watch your jawline emerge. Cardio accelerates this. 30 minutes of Zone 2 cardio 5 times per week increases facial fat oxidation. Studies show steady-state cardio targets visceral and facial fat more effectively than HIIT for aesthetic purposes. Walk, jog, or cycle. Keep your heart rate at 60 to 70% of your max. Model faces have flawless skin. Texture, tone, and clarity matter more than bone structure for immediate attractiveness. Dermatology research from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that skin quality accounts for 49% of facial attractiveness ratings in first impressions. Start with the basics. Double cleanse every night. Oil cleanser first to remove sebum and pollution, then water-based cleanser to clean your skin. This removes 96% of pore-clogging debris versus 60% with single cleansing. Use a chemical exfoliant 3 times per week. Salicylic acid 2% for oily skin. Glycolic acid for normal to dry skin. This increases cell turnover by 38% and eliminates dead skin buildup. Retinoids are non-negotiable. Start with retinol 0.5% twice per week and build to nightly use over 8 weeks. Clinical trials show retinoids increase collagen production by 79% and reduce fine lines by 64% over 6 months. This is the only ingredient with level 1 evidence for anti-aging. Hydration is everything. Use a hyaluronic acid serum followed by a ceramide moisturizer. Your skin should look plump, not dry or oily. Dehydrated skin shows every imperfection. Korean skincare studies found that proper hydration improves skin appearance scores by 53% in 30 days. SPF 50 every single day. UV damage causes 80% of premature aging. A French twin study tracked this. One twin used daily SPF, the other didn't. After 15 years, the difference looked like a decade of aging. Protect your skin or you're sabotaging everything else. Your eyebrows frame your entire face. Researchers from MIT's facial recognition lab found that eyebrow shape affects perceived masculinity by 41%. Most men have untamed or poorly shaped brows and don't realize it's killing their aesthetics. Get them professionally shaped once. Not threaded thin, just cleaned up. Remove the unibrow, clean the upper cheek area, and define the arch slightly. After the first professional shaping, maintain it yourself with tweezers every 5 days. Models have defined slightly thick brows with a clean arch. This creates a strong masculine frame. Your eyes are judged first. Eye contact quality studies show that clear, bright eyes increase trustworthiness ratings by 67%. If your eyes are red or tired, you look low value immediately. Get 8 hours of sleep minimum. Sleep deprivation shows in your eyes within 72 hours, according to sleep research from Stanford. Under-eye darkness destroys your look. This comes from thin skin, dehydration, or genetics. Use a caffeine-based eye cream every morning. Topical caffeine constricts blood vessels and reduces darkness by 34% in clinical studies. Stay hydrated. 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Dehydration makes under-eye circles 58% more visible. Eyelash length matters more than you think. Longer lashes are associated with youth and health. Use a lash serum with peptides nightly. Research shows peptide serums increase lash length by 23% over 12 weeks. This is subtle, but it compounds with everything else. Your hair is 37% of your facial aesthetic. UCLA perception studies confirmed this. The right haircut can restructure your entire face shape. The wrong one makes you look worse regardless of bone structure. Face shape determines your cut. If you have a round face, you need height and angularity on top. Short sides, textured top. This elongates your face. If you have a long face, avoid too much height. Go for more volume on the sides with a shorter top. If you have a square face, you're lucky. Almost anything works, but textured crops and side parts look best. Find a real barber, not a chain salon. Pay $60 to $80 for a proper cut. This isn't expensive, it's investing in your face. A skilled barber understands face shape and proportions. Chain salons follow templates. Show them reference photos of models with your face shape. Be specific about what you want. Hair texture matters. Use a matte product, not gel or pomade. Matte finishes look natural and modern. Shiny hair products make you look outdated. Apply product to damp hair and use your fingers to style, not a comb. This creates texture. Fashion studies show textured hair increases attractiveness ratings by 29% compared to slicked or flat hair. Hair health shows immediately. If your hair is dry, brittle, or thinning, people notice. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Wash every 2 to 3 days, not daily. Daily washing strips natural oils and damages hair. Supplement with biotin, 5,000 micrograms daily. Clinical research shows biotin supplementation improves hair quality in 83% of users over 90 days. Your facial muscles determine how your face looks at rest. Facial exercise studies from cosmetic research journals found that targeted exercises can improve facial tone by 31% over 20 weeks. Models have defined facial muscles from years of proper use. Jaw clenches build your masseter. Clench your jaw for 10 seconds, release for 5 seconds. Repeat 20 times daily. This hypertrophies the muscle and creates width at your jaw angle. Cheekbone exercises involve smiling wide while pressing your fingers on your cheekbones for resistance. Hold for 15 seconds, repeat 10 times. This lifts your midface and creates hollow cheeks. Neck posture is killing your jawline. Forward head posture, which 90% of people have from phone use, creates a double chin even if you're lean. Pull your head back so your ears are over your shoulders. This elongates your neck and reveals your jawline. Oxford posture studies show this single adjustment improves facial aesthetics by 23%. Chin tucks strengthen your neck and define your jaw. Tuck your chin down and back like you're making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 20 times daily. This engages your hyoid muscles and tightens the skin under your jaw. Physical therapy research shows chin tucks reduce neck fat appearance by 18% over 8 weeks. Sleep position affects your face shape. Sleeping on your side causes asymmetry and compression wrinkles. A study from the American Academy of Dermatology found that side sleeping creates permanent facial asymmetry over time. Sleep on your back. Use a cervical pillow to keep your neck aligned. This prevents facial compression and maintains symmetry. The details separate average from model tier. Your facial hair should be intentional, either clean-shaven or well-maintained stubble. Patchy beards destroy everything. If you can't grow a full beard, stay clean-shaven. Australian attractiveness research found that clean-shaven and short stubble are rated highest, while patchy beards rank in the bottom 15%. Nose and ear hair need to be trimmed weekly. This is basic, but 68% of men ignore it. Use a trimmer. Visible nose hair reduces attractiveness scores by 41% in first impression studies. Your teeth matter more than any single feature. White, straight teeth increase perceived attractiveness by 57%. Use whitening strips twice per year. Brush twice daily with an electric toothbrush. Floss every night. Scent is the invisible factor. Wear a subtle cologne, 1 spray on your chest, 1 on your neck. That's it. Japanese fragrance research shows that appropriate scent increases approachability by 36%, but over-application decreases it by 51%. Less is more. Here's your 90-day transformation plan. Weeks 1 to 4, fix your tongue posture, start mewing, begin your fat loss protocol, establish your skincare routine, get a proper haircut, and fix your sleep posture. Weeks 5 to 8, maintain everything from phase 1, add facial exercises daily, start retinoids, and optimize your grooming routine. Weeks 9 to 12, maintain all protocols, track your progress with weekly photos, adjust based on results. By day 90, your face will be unrecognizable, not because of genetics, because of optimization. You don't need perfect genetics. You need a system. Follow this protocol exactly and you'll see results in 30 days. Other people will see them in 60. Drop a comment with where you're starting from. Subscribe if this gave you the blueprint. See you in the next one.